Welcome to Mastering English Like a Native Speaker. My name is Ashley from Lingo Leap. If you are new here, it's lovely to have you join us today. Today we are going to discuss the top tips and tricks that you can use the next time you write the IELTS exam. I know that writing the IELTS exam can be extremely challenging and daunting for many people all across the world. But with these tips and tricks I'm going to show you today, I can guarantee you will have great success the next time you practice for the IELTS exam. The first tip that I can give you is to immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. You need to listen to English music, watch English TV shows and movies, and read English books and news articles. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you'll learn. Tip number 2, practice speaking every day. Find a language partner or join a language exchange group to practice speaking with native speakers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all a part of the journey. Tip number 3. Learn English idioms and slang. Idioms and slang play a big role in English everyday conversations, and by learning them, you will sound more natural and more native-like. Tip number 4. Focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and try to mimic their pronunciation. Practice tongue twisters and listen to English speakers to improve your pronunciation skills. Tip number 5, be patient and persistent. Learning a language takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep practicing every day and you will get there. Another example I can give for different exercises you can do to prepare for the IELTS exam. We have number 1, listening. Listening to English podcasts, news broadcasts, or TED Talks. Try summarize the main points. Practice note-taking while listening to improve your ability to extract key information. Tip number 2, reading. Read English articles, books, and academic texts. Summarize the main ideas, identify the writer's tone and purpose, and practice skimming and scanning for specific information. Tip number 3, writing. Practice writing essays, reports, and emails. Focus on organizing your ideas coherently using a variety of vocabulary and sentence structures. Check for grammar and spelling as well. Tip number 4, speaking. Practice speaking English with a partner or tutor. Practice answering common IELTS speaking questions, focusing on fluency, pronunciation, and using a wide variety of grammar and vocabulary. For a few websites that you can use to practice your next IELTS exam, I'm going to leave it in the comment down below so you can follow that the next time you need to practice or the next time you're getting prepared to write your IELTS exam. I wish you all of the best of luck. Follow these easy tips and tricks and you will be guaranteed success. Goodbye.